Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, your daily dose of English vocabulary. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm thrilled to have you with me today. Our word of the day is cloth. It's a B1 level noun, and it means a piece of fabric used for various purposes. Cloth is something we encounter every single day, from the clothes we wear to the towels we use. It's a fundamental part of our lives. So let's dive deeper into understanding cloth. As I mentioned, cloth refers to a woven or felted material made from fibers such as cotton, wool, silk, or synthetic materials. It's used for making garments, coverings, and many other items. Think about the cloth used to make your favorite shirt or the cloth you use to wipe up spills in the kitchen. Those are everyday examples. To help you get a better grasp of cloth, let's explore some synonyms. A close synonym for cloth is fabric. For example, this dress is made of beautiful silk fabric. Another synonym is material. We could say, the material of this tent is very durable. We can also use the word textile. For instance, the local market sells a wide range of textiles. Consider also the word weave when referring to a specific type or pattern of cloth. Like the intricate weave of the tapestry was impressive. One more synonym we could consider is stuff, although it's a bit more informal. We could say, what kind of stuff is this blanket made of? Now, let's move on to antonyms. It's a little tricky to find direct antonyms for cloth, as it refers to a physical material. However, we can think about things that are not made of cloth. One possible contrast is plastic. Unlike cloth, plastic is a synthetic material often used for rigid or waterproof items. For instance, the container is made of plastic, not cloth. Another contrasting term is metal. Metal is a hard, opaque, fusible, and ductile substance. The chair frame is made of metal, while the cushion is covered in cloth. Another possible contrasting idea is paper. Paper is often used for disposable items, unlike durable cloth. We might also consider wood. The table is made of wood, and the tablecloth is made of cloth. Thinking about cloth in everyday life, you'll find it everywhere. We use cleaning cloths to keep our homes tidy. We wear cloth diapers for babies. We buy cloth napkins for fancy dinners. And think about the expression, cut from the same cloth, which means people are similar in character. It is an idiomatic expression which means having similar qualities or characteristics. For example, the two leaders were cut from the same cloth, both determined and ambitious. Here are some usage examples of cloth in sentences and phrases. She used a soft cloth to polish the furniture. The tailor needed more cloth to finish the suit. This cloth is perfect for making curtains. He wiped his glasses with a clean cloth. The market sells cloth in a variety of colors and patterns. The table is covered with a white cloth. Please use this cloth to clean the spill. She is selling her hand-painted cloths at a local art fair. He draped the furniture with protective cloths during the renovation. I need a cloth to dry my hands. As you can see, cloth is a very common and versatile word. Remember, it refers to a piece of fabric used for various purposes, and it is a B1 level noun. We've covered its definition, synonyms like fabric, material, and antonyms like plastic, metal. We've also looked at how it's used in everyday conversations and expressions. I hope this has been helpful. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you learned something new about the word cloth. Remember to subscribe to our podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps others find our show and learn English with us. And now, for your homework, I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word cloth and share it as a comment under this video. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Keep learning and have a wonderful day.
Goodbye.